I always wanted to take a copy of Windows 11 with me. Well, I could use a portable SSD like this Kodak. It would mean that I would also bring a cable with me, and cables can break. I could use a flash drive like these Kingston ones, but they are too slow to use them. Also, they have a very limited write and read cycles, so I found this thing, a Realtek portable SSD. It's a flash drive that has like an SSD chip inside. Well, it's just like a regular external SSD, but it's a lot smaller. Still, it has very good speeds and it's kinda cheap, depends on which one you buy. I bought this really tech one. I hope that's how you read it. So, after doing a performance test in a Crystal Disk Mark, we get these numbers. Basically, for the version that I bought, the 256 gigabytes one, that costs you around $18. There is a difference in what color you get, I don't know why. Maybe because the other one is from different material, maybe it's a... Anyway, so let's do what I wanted to do, which is installing Windows 11 to go on this flash drive. We'll need an app that you may know, it's called Rufus. Also, sorry for the quality, I forgot to switch the recording quality to 1080p. It's a 720p recording. Yeah. Anyways, once we have Rufus, I hope you already know how to download a Windows 11 ISO. It's just going to Google and typing Windows 11 ISO and going to the official Microsoft website and downloading your language. So I have already downloaded, I explained it in a lot of videos how to download a Windows 11 ISO, so I'll just go to install it. Anyways, first we'll need to enable list USB hard drives in Rufus for it to detect our Realtek flash drive, and then we can import our ISO file. I just dragged it on Rufus. Then on image option select Windows to go, and the other stuff I left it as it was. Now we select the version of Windows, and here we can customize our installation, like preventing it from accessing internal disks, remove the Microsoft account requirement, and create a user already here, so you don't need to do anything. It will just load almost directly to your account. You'll need just to accept the EULA. Anyways, let's skip to the part where I boot it. So I'll restart holding shift, then I can access the boot menu, although not always you'll see your devices listed here, which better you search for your BIOS's boot menu, which is a lot easier than going to this shift restart menu. But still, if you don't know how to do it, you can also do it from Windows by holding shift and restart. Here it didn't appear. UEFI removable device usually doesn't work if you select it. Here you can see I tried selecting UEFI removable device and it will boot the computer again into Windows that's installed on the hard disk drive. So next that I'll do is going into the boot menu. So it's funny, but on the next restart it just booted me into the USB without changing anything. I don't know why, it just worked. Anyways, after waiting for some time and Windows getting ready, you'll finally meet Windows. You'll see this animation, and now you'll need to select Steel Region, and the other stuff will be a couple of things will be selected by Rufus. Now we'll see that the only last thing that we need to do is accept the license agreement, and now it's just booting to our account. And finally, we are booted on our Windows to Go installation. So that's all for this video, because there's not much more to say. Be careful, because the flash drive might get a little bit hot if you do very disk dependent stuff, like playing games or even updating your installation. But if you use it like a portable desktop to write documents and other like simple stuff, it will be a cool way to bring your document with you. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.